Yeah, now it's clear.
Good evening, sir. I am Deepak Kumar from Nardaha, Raipur. I have completed my school. I have completed my 12th from Gandhra Verma Government Higher Secondary School, Nardaha, with 89 percentage, and I would like to making videos and reading books and writing also. And I have quality of, I think my strong my strength is my learning quality. Sorry, sir, my learning attitude and uh, smart work. And my weakness is I can't say I can't refuse people easily. So that I don't know the art of saying no.
Okay, so you cannot refuse people easily. So had that habit of yours harmed you in any way? Yeah, you can quote any example.
Sir, like I am in LinkedIn, so some people are trying to contact me for marketing something like that. But I talks to them a little bit, but after when they ask me, you want to join or not, then it is much difficult to say to know him, as I am not interested for that. But also I can't say them no,
Okay,
because
so how has it harmed you?
no, sir, it is not harmed me, but I uh, I
So if
felt,
that habit of yours has not harmed you and you don't have any example, then how could you say that it is a weakness?
sir,
You still believe it is a weakness?
yes, sir,
All right. And about your strengths?
my learning attitude and smart work.
Okay, so quote some examples.
Sir, whenever I need to know something, whenever I sorry, sir, I want to learn. I want to learn everything. I want to learn something about everything, no matter it is related to my career or not. But I want to learn.
You want to learn. That is what you're saying, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
can you tell me the difference between listening and hearing?
Yes, sir. Hearing is just a process when someone or from somewhere voice is coming to your ear, and you don't attention that. But when we talk about listening, you attention that particular voice.
All right. Please tell me which genre do you want to talk about?
Sir, education,
Education is. I've asked many questions regarding
life,
anything else.
life, sir.
Life.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is the most important thing in life?
The most important thing of life is living life with according to how you want to live. That's the important thing of life.
And
Means
how do you want to live the life?
hap- happily, sir. I want
And
to live happily.
what makes you happy?
Uh, what I want to get when I get something which I want to get, that makes me happy,
What do you want to get?
sir. Some some small things like some small successes like related to career or like family related or complete or sorry, sir.
Okay, tell me your about your career goals.
Sir, I want to do some startups, and after that I want to do many things,
Things like
like I want to do some work in technical field that makes that empowerment India technologically, and I want to do some works in education and for my environment also.
uh, so you have any blueprint for that? How are you going to do? How are you going to contribute to our education and environment?
Yes, sir. Actually, I want to be just like Bill Gates, sir. So, uh, as they work, as they work for a climate change, or for or they have a, and they also work for Altwin Elon. Sorry, sir.
Okay, tell me, your ideal is Bill Gates.
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Bill Gates
Bill
and
Gates.
also Sandeep Maheshwari, sir, and Elon Musk.
Almost, all right. Bill Gates, can you tell me some habits of Bill Gates which he has shared in his interviews, like habits which made him successful?
Sir, his learning attitude. As far as I listen, he reads very much book, and
So do you also read books?
not much, sir.
Okay. There was an incident in which Bill Gates and Warren Buffett, both of them were sharing stage, and both of them were given asked to write a single word or sentence which leads to success. So both of them wrote the similar thing. Can you please tell me what was that word? If you
Sir,
know Bill Gates well.
I didn't get you. Would you please repeat it?
Okay. Once Bill Gates and Warren Buffett. You know Warren Buffett? Who is Warren Buffett?
Yes, sir.
Okay. They were both sharing a stage and they were asked to write a single word or a sentence which leads to success. Both of them wrote the same thing. What was that word? Do you know that word?
Yes, sir. Learning attitude.
No, that wasn't the word. Okay, the word was focus. Okay.
Focus.
Uh,
Yes.
all right. My last question. Do you believe in mythology?
Uh, some somewhat, sir.
Little bit.
Yes, a little bit.
Okay. Uh, can you tell me where Lord Rama would have celebrated his first Diwali?
His first Diwali in Ayodhya.
Okay. Okay. Thank you, Deepak. That is all for your interview.
Thank
It
you,
was
sir.
nice talking to you.
Thank you, sir.